Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. Today we are diving deep into the world of a very, very special bat.
Ooh, a bat.
Yes, a bat.
I love bats.
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
They are?
This one is extra special, though.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Lay it on me.
This one is the Honduran White Bat.
The Honduran White Bat.
That's right.
I've never even heard of that.
Have you ever seen a bat that is white?
White? No, I can't say that I have.
Yeah, so that's what's so cool about this one.
So they're like albino bats?
Well, we'll get into that.
Okay.
But first, let's just talk about what they look like. Because, I mean, pure white fur on a bat.
Wow.
It's pretty crazy.
That is wild. I mean, I guess I would imagine them being like, dark brown or black or something like that.
Exactly, like all the bats I've ever seen.
Right.
But no, this one's fur is white as snow.
Okay.
They are tiny little guys, too. Only like 5 centimeters long, max.
Wow.
So just a little puffball. And they've got these really cool, bright yellow ears and noses.
Oh, wow. So they're like little cotton balls with like yellow highlights?
Yeah, and even their wing membranes
Hmm.
have like a yellowish tinge to them.
Interesting.
It's really a unique look.
Yeah, that is really unique for sure.
So how do you think they get that white fur?
White fur. Well, I know some animals get white fur to blend in with snow and stuff like that, but I don't know if there's snow in Honduras.
That's a great point. There isn't.
Okay, so that can't be it.
No, but it actually all comes down to their diet.
Their diet. Mm-hmm.
They eat mainly figs
Okay.
and other small tropical fruits.
I love figs.
Yeah, they're delicious.
Mm-hmm.
And these fruits are super low in something called carotenoids.
Carotenoids.
Yeah, you know how like flamingos are pink?
Yeah.
Because they eat shrimp that have carotenoids? Well,
Mhm.
basically, these bats aren't getting those carotenoids from their diet.
Oh, I see.
So they
Yeah.
end up with this bright white fur.
Wow. So like their food is directly affecting their fur color?
Exactly.
Huh. That's fascinating.
It's like nature's version of tie-dye.
I love it.
So we've got these white bats flying around eating fruit all day.
Okay.
But there's something else that sets these bats apart from others.
What's that?
You know how most bats use echolocation?
Yeah, to like see in the dark.
Right.
It's like a sonar.
Mm-hmm.
So cool.
Well, these guys rely more on their vision.
Really?
Yeah.
So they don't do the echolocation thing?
Well, they can, but they have really big eyes for bats,
Mm.
which suggests that they're using their sight more.
That makes sense.
Plus, they're active during the day.
Oh, so they're like diurnal.
Exactly.
Huh. Interesting. Most bats I know are like nocturnal.
Right, so this is another thing that makes the Honduran white bat so unique.
Yeah. I'm learning a lot about this bat.
Me too. Now, where do you think these guys live?
You said Honduran white bat, so I'm going to guess Honduras.
Yeah, that's a good guess.
Yeah?
They're found in Honduras,
Okay.
but also Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and western Panama.
Okay, so like Central America.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
And they don't just live anywhere in the rainforest. They're pretty picky.
About what?
They really like areas with lots of heliconia plants.
What's heliconia?
They're these tropical plants with big, bright, colorful leaves.
Whoa, okay.
And these plants are crucial for the Honduran white bat's survival.
Why is that?
Well, for one, they eat the fruit from the heliconia.
Okay, makes sense. You've got to have the food.
Right, but get this.
What?
They also use the leaves to make their homes.
Wait, what?
You heard me right.
Bats living in leaves.
These bats are like little architects.
What?
They actually modify the heliconia leaves
How do they do that?
by carefully biting through specific veins in the leaf.
They bite through the veins.
Mm-hmm. And that causes the leaf to fold down,
Oh.
creating a little tent-like shelter.
So they're making their own little houses out of leaves.
Exactly.
That's incredible.
I know, right?
Talk about resourceful.
And they don't do this alone. They usually roost in these leaf tents in small groups.
That's cute.
I know, right?
Like a little bat family.
Yeah, like up to 6 individuals, probably for warmth and protection.
That makes sense. Safety in numbers.
Right. So we've got these white bats eating figs and heliconia shroom, making little houses out of leaves. Pretty cool, huh?
That's amazing.
But sadly,
Oh.
their future isn't so bright.
What do you mean?
Well, they're currently classified as near threatened.
Near threatened? What does that mean?
It means they're at risk of becoming endangered.
Oh, no. That's awful.
I know.
Why are they near threatened?
The biggest problem is habitat loss.
Habitat loss.
Yeah, deforestation
Yeah.
and agriculture.
Yeah.
They're destroying the rainforest where these bats live.
That's so sad.
And remember, they rely on those heliconia plants.
Right, for food and shelter.
So if those plants disappear.
The bats disappear too.
Exactly.
We got to protect these little guys.
I know, right? They're just trying to live their best bat lives.
Yeah.
It's really a shame. Makes you think about how connected everything is in nature.
It really does.
One species disappears, and it can have a ripple effect on the whole ecosystem.
Yeah, like a domino effect.
Exactly. And this whole deep dive,
Yeah.
it's not just about bats.
Yeah,
It's about understanding how we impact the world around us
that's right.
and what we can do to protect the amazing creatures that share our planet.
Absolutely.
So what do you think? Could we learn something from the Honduran white bat?
Like what?
Well, they're pretty ingenious architects.
Yeah, they are making those little leaf houses.
Right. Maybe we could learn from their sustainable building techniques.
Hmm. That's an interesting thought.
Yeah, What if we took inspiration from nature to create more eco-friendly designs?
Yeah, like biomimicry.
Exactly.
Huh. That's a really cool idea.
So there you have it, the Honduran white bat, a tiny creature with a big impact. It's a reminder that even the smallest of us can make a difference, and that we all have a role to play in protecting our planet.
Well said.
Until next time.
Bye, everyone.